Stop storming, bro. I'm out here bidding. What the heck? Got 2 minutes till bidding starts. Ah! Bidding starts in 1:30. I'm scared. I'm scared, man. I've never bid on anything before in my life. 1 minute. That's enough for 5 minutes worth of footage, maybe. While it pours down rain, 12 o'clock, thundering, raining, and I'm out here bidding on a Subaru Outback with front end damage for $275. I'm so scared, bro. I kind of hope somebody buys it off me, but I'm ready. Oh no, bro. That means I'm gonna get this for $275.
Sold.
Oh shit. Iowa man been defeated. He's like, I'm not going more than $2,000. Iowa man, he came back. Iowa man. He's crazy.
Sold on approval.
I'm next.
Your watch item is next on the block.
Oh God, I'm next. I'm so scared. I've never been on anything before. Oh dear God. I kind of hope I don't get it.
Approval.
Oh God, here it is. Oh God, I'm scared. Oh no. Well, looks like I'm coming home with a car for $250. I'm sorry, Mom. I didn't think anybody wouldn't bid. Yep. There it is. The area of lost dreams and forgotten memories. What was once was, no longer is. Yeah. Dang. Some of them are floods, some of them are fire. Looks can be deceiving. Gambling addict, but this is probably the most fun I've ever had in my life. I'm excited. I am way too excited for this. Let's get this bread. Dang. They got everything here. I'm scared, nervous, also excited. There it is. This is I don't know. I don't know how to feel about this. Should I feel happy? Should I feel sad? Should I feel upset? I don't know. I feel mostly regret. A lot of regret. Smoker's car wasn't well maintained. You can tell weather strip is coming out. It's all dirty. Oklahoma. They put automatic transmission fluid in it. Dude. 9 o'clock at night, just unloaded it. 13-hour round trip. What did I get myself into? Main fuse box probably got soaked because they never covered it. Nice. New day, same problems. Had to cover it because I didn't want it to get rained on. It looks like it almost blew off. How windy it was. May have a roof, not even a garage, a roof, but everything still gets wet. So, buying your first car on Copart. Was it worth it, huh? Good question. Was it worth it? I don't think so. I mean, for $500 though, can't really beat it. Nice little project. It has a few more problems than I was hoping, but everything seems good. I mean, if you're looking for a car that runs and drives, obviously you don't go to Copart to buy your first car. But buying your first car, I can't say if it was a bad decision or a good decision. I mean, looking at it, there's a few minor things that I don't like the most, like the weather stripping coming out of the door, and they weren't able to access the negative battery terminal, so they cut it. And I suck at soldering, so that'll take forever to fix. But I don't know if it was worth it. I feel like it was, and I also feel like it wasn't. I don't know if it drives, I don't know if it runs. It's going to take so much work. Is it worth all that work? Probably not, and it's going to take a lot of work. But I can't say man, as much as I regret it, I don't regret it at the same time. Because this is going to be so much fun. I have had nothing to do for the past whole winter, and now I'm going to be out here with a sledgehammer trying to beat body panels back into place. So, buying your first car on Copart, can't recommend. Buying your first project car on Copart, I can recommend that. But just good. I mean, even if it doesn't have even if the motor doesn't work, I probably wouldn't do it again, but it was fun. I didn't mean to win, but I won. And well, now I gotta fix it. Yeah, I can fix it. Probably.